Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a couple of questions from a quadratic pattern. We've already done 4.1 to 4.3, so today we're going to deal with 4.4, and here we're going to specifically look at consecutive terms. So between which two consecutive terms of the quadratic pattern will the first difference be 453? So it's quite a tricky question. Let's think through it. So they've said to us, right, you've got this quadratic pattern over here. They've said to us between which two consecutive terms, so these are consecutive terms, and they want to know between which two consecutive terms will we get a difference, okay, of 453. So that's very important. Between which two terms will we have a difference of 453? Now what I want us to do, which would make this quite useful, is let's try and find a pattern or a general term for this pattern over here. And if we look at this pattern by itself, we can see that it has a first difference that is common, which means it is a linear equation, a linear pattern, a linear pattern, and therefore we can use this nifty formula where we say a plus n minus 1 d. All right, so in A's position, we can put a not 244, the minus 51, because we're dealing with this pattern over here. So we put a minus 51 plus n minus 1, and then the difference is the 6. Okay, so that's our common difference of 6. We would then have minus 51 plus 6n minus 6. And once we do a little bit of simplification there, we'll have 6n minus, and then that minus 51 minus 6 is going to be minus 57. All right, so that gives us the general term for that first difference sequence, right? Now they've said to us specifically that the difference we're looking at is 453. So they've essentially given us Tn, and we need to figure out what the n would be. So let's plug in our 453 there, and that's going to give us 6n minus 57. Right, once we do a little bit of simplification there, we'll move the 57 across. Once we move the 57 across, it would be 510 equals 69. We divide both sides by 6. And that is going to give us an n of 85. So 85 equals n. Right. But that is not the end of the question. All right. We still need to figure out, we need to still figure out which two consecutive terms of the quadratic pattern the difference is going to be 453. And we figured out that 453 is the 85th term of this sequence specifically. So let's see what the differences are. So the very first difference is between the first and second term. The second first difference is between the second and third term. The third first difference is between the third and fourth term. So that would mean the 85th difference would be between the 86th and 85th term. All right, so it's between the 85th and 86th term. Really, really good job on this one. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.